Hello everyone, this is Anu again and I'm back in my mom's kitchen. Today I have a very easy recipe for you, which is that of a thandai. It is a cooling, refreshing drink which we normally have in the summers, and this is a recipe that my Nani has used in her recipe book. So let's get started. These are very easy to find ingredients and most of them are available in our homes. We have saunf over here. Fennel seeds are very key to thandai. We also have peppercorns and we have elaichi powder. If you don't have elaichi powder, you are okay to use whole elaichis. Just grind it a little bit more and that should be great. One of the optional ingredients are nutmeg. We also have saffron over here. And then we have a combination of dry fruits. You can use cashew nuts, almonds, pistas. One of the key ingredients are melon seeds and chironji. We also have sugar, poppy seeds, and this here is rose petals that are crushed. If you don't find rose petals, please go ahead and use rose water. That's great too. To begin with, I am going to grind these ingredients over here. In goes the saunf with our peppercorn. I'm keeping the nutmeg aside and I'm also putting in our elaichi powder. Half the amount of sugar, which is about 1.5 tablespoons, is going to go in right now. I'm not using a lot of sugar because I like to use honey as the sweetening agent instead of using a lot of sugar. But if you'd like, you can increase the quantity of sugar and that's perfectly your choice. Let's grind these. So here I am going to sieve our first batch. और जो इसका निकलेगा, all that residue can go back into the mixie. Whatever is residue, it goes back in here and I'm gonna mix it along with the dry fruit now. And in goes our pista, badam, cashew nuts, melon seeds, chironji, balanced sugar, poppy seeds, and our rose powder. Let's grind these now. Our second lot is ready. I have made it really fine and I'm taking it out in our bowl. I'm not straining it because I feel that when we add the milk and we soak it, it'll be fine, but it's your choice if you want to strain this one more time. So if you find a few lumps in this, it's perfectly fine because the oils get released from the dry fruit. And now we're going to mix both of these in. And now I'm adding just a dash of nutmeg. That's it. And we're just going to mix it, toss it together. And our thandai mixture is ready. Today I've made a small batch and this can be put in an airtight container. You can refrigerate it up to 2 months, and if you use all of it, that's great because Holi is coming up and we are going to be using a lot of thandai. There are so many other ways of adding things to thandai. If you know what I mean, you know where to get it and you can spike it up and enjoy it for Holi. Let's show you what it looks like when it is already mixed with milk. I'm using haldi milk today to make our thandai. The reason why I want to put turmeric in our milk is because it has a lot of health benefits. So why not boil the milk with haldi and then cool it before using it for thandai. तो हमारा ठंडाई का मिक्सचर है तैयार। यहाँ पे हम निकाल रहे हैं. It is got such a nice fragrance, primarily of saunf, and then add some pistas on top. It makes it more rich, and of course saffron as the color that is so required for thandai. And here we're gonna make it in our glass. I have some ice here and our cold milk. I'm gonna put some more. Let's put our thandai mixture. I'm putting about 3 tablespoons of the mixture per glass. अब हम इसमें डाल रहे हैं हनी. शहद अपने स्वाद अनुसार डाल सकते हैं. और अब हम इसको रखेंगे फ्रिज में. I like to keep it for at least half an hour in the refrigerator so that it will absorb the flavors really well. And after half an hour we are going to enjoy it. I have someone special here for the tasting today. This is my sister Saloni,
as known as the editor of the Chefpreneur channel.
So, is this mine?
Yes, all yours. She lives in Lucknow. She's the one who's the expert on it.
Yum. I want to down this. This is so good. Perfect for Holi. You want to try this too?
I'm going last.
You're going last?
You're going last, why?
I'm not going to leave anything for you.
Cheers.
Happy Holi, everyone.
Happy Holi.
Bye, see you in the next video.